It can be pretty frustrating when you park your car underneath some pine trees and you end up with sap on your car and even more frustrating, on your windshield. So no matter how much juice you use and however long you let your windshield wipers run, you can see that spot right there. That's tree sap that dripped on the windshield. And I've got more across the windshield here. And honestly, all I'm doing is smearing it around the windshield. It's not helping anything. So let me show you an easy way to get that off without scratching your windshield or damaging the paint on your car. All right, so we've got some tree sap on the windshield of the Tahoe, and I'm gonna show you a simple way to remove it. All we're gonna need are two ingredients. We're gonna need some clean rags. I like to cut up my old t-shirts and keep them in the garage in a plastic bag so they don't get dusty. That way I won't scratch the car or the windshield if I'm using them. And we're also gonna use some good old-fashioned isopropyl alcohol. This does a really nice job of cutting through tree sap. Since it's a very polar solvent, it won't damage the windshield, the car itself. Now, if you're using it on the car, it will remove the wax. So I recommend, after cleaning some sap off your car, if it's on the paint, then I recommend using a little speed wax just to reapply a nice protective layer of carnauba wax to the car. So on the windshield, we're gonna get a little bonus feature in this video. Once I clean off the tree sap, I'm gonna go ahead and put my own special blend of water repellent. I made this previously, and I'll put a link in the video in case you wanna make your own version of Rain-X. It's really potent stuff. It's pretty simple to make with some basic chemicals, so check that out. All right, so let's get to it. We're gonna get that windshield cleaned up. All right, so the tree sap is right here, and there is some on other parts of the windshield. So what I'm gonna do, hoping you can see this okay, I'm just gonna put a healthy amount of isopropyl alcohol on this clean cotton cloth. And if I just go in circular motions, I can get all of that off. All right, now I'm gonna go one step further, and I'm going to really wipe down this whole windshield. And there is some water on it because it's raining outside, but I'm gonna dry all that off. But I wanna get this whole windshield nice and clean. I can get some dirt off of there too, which is gonna be important for the next step. Again, the isopropyl alcohol is gonna do a nice job of getting any tree sap off your windshield. And I'm actually gonna spend a little extra time on this windshield because I'm going to apply that Rain-X next. So I want that windshield super clean before I put that on. All right, let's get the other side. All right, be careful lifting up your windshield wipers. You do not want to drop one of those. There's a good chance you would crack your windshield, and that would ruin your day. All right, let's continue. Oh, there's a good amount of sap up here. And for a really big chunk, you just want to spend a little time rubbing on it, and it will just slowly dissolve into that isopropyl alcohol. All right, it's gone. Now I'm just going to continue using this alcohol to get my windshield really clean. On there, so there is like a black residue on the glass. It's really thin, but it's there, and you want to get that off for the homemade Rain-X that we're going to put on next. All right, we're looking pretty good. All right, I've got this windshield really clean now. Now I'm going to add my own special blend of water repellent to this windshield, and then we'll take it outside in the rain and see how it works. You want to get a nice thin film across the entire glass. Now if you want to know how I made this, there is a video. I'll put it in the links in the description. Check it out if you're interested. Or if you just want to get tree sap off your car, you now know how to do that. Alright, that's it. Let's gently put these windshield wipers down. Alright, well that's it. You now know how to get the tree sap off your car or windshield. And again, if you're interested in my little special blend Rain-X, check out the description. I'll put the links to that video on how to make it. Let's go outside and check out how this car windscreen works. All right, I'll film it as we're backing out. Let's see how the rain hits it. So as you can see, the tree sap is completely gone from the windshield. So I just decided to take the car for a spin. And as you can see, with the new treatment on the windshield, I don't even have to use the windshield wipers in the rain because the water is just kind of rolling off the windshield like BBs. So I think you can hear the rain, but there's really no need to use the wipers. I really dig this treatment. That's awesome. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed it. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.